Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to know who subscribed to your YouTube channel and how to see the list of your subscribers? Well, you're in the right place. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open the YouTube app on your device. You'll land on the official homepage. Now look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the U tab. That's the one that takes you to your account section. Now this time, tap on View Channel. This will open up your YouTube channel page. Right there, you'll find the subscribers section. Tap on it and boom, you'll now see a list of people who have subscribed to your channel. But here's something important to keep in mind. This list only shows public subscribers. In other words, people who have set their subscriptions to be visible to others. If someone has kept their subscriptions private, they won't show up on this list, even if they've subscribed to you. And that's it. Now you know how to see your subscribers on YouTube, check who's following your journey, and even sort the list to get a better idea of your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Insightful Tutorials for more guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.